like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. This is a dual-path controller made by Sauer Danfoss and sent in to us by a construction company. Modules like these are used in heavy equipment, like John Deere dozers, to act as controls along with their standard displays, which we also repair. This unit had been worked on by a different repair shop, and several parts had either been left out or damaged by the exclusion of said parts. We replaced all of the missing parts and repaired any area with damage, as well as giving the unit a full maintenance rebuild by replacing the old capacitors. ERD often gets units that were mishandled by other companies, and we make sure to right those wrongs for our customers' sake. So if you're having issues, call today for your quote.